So there is one thing in my morning routine that I think it's pretty original. I haven't seen anyone else do it, and I think it's a really good idea. So the first thing I do when I get out of the bed, as soon as I wake up, I drop down and do 10 push-ups. This way I think that I kind of get my blood going, it kind of starts off, my body is kind of waking up. But also I think this is starting my day off with doing something difficult. So push-ups when you just woke up and you're tired, it's not that easy. So starting your day with something that's kind of difficult is a good way to build discipline. And then I do the rest of my morning routine. I brush my teeth, I do my skincare, I meditate, everything I have. And then to end it, I do 10 more push-ups. Apart from the morning routine, I also have a rule that every time a push-ups cross my mind, I have to drop down and do 10. No matter where I am, no matter what I'm doing, no matter how comfortable I am. When I think of push-ups, I can't say no to that. I have to drop down and do 10 whenever they cross my mind. Only exceptions are when I had just eaten, so it's not a good idea to force my body now, and also when I'm just about to go to bed, because then I would wake myself up with push-ups. Apart from those two, I do push-ups every time they cross my mind. It's a rule. This is good for building strength. Obviously, push-ups are a workout, but also primarily for building discipline, because there's gonna be situations where you really don't feel like doing them, but they crossed your mind and now you can't say no. So I think this is a really good idea to build discipline. And these can happen at most random times. I remember a situation when I was comfortable in my bed. I was covered up with a blanket, I had something to eat, and I think I was about to watch a movie or something. I had everything set up to be like really comfortable, and everything is comfy and nice and warm and everything, and then the thought of push-ups crosses my mind, and I feel angry, but also like kind of grateful at the same time. And then I have to move the blanket, I have to move the food, I have to move the laptop, I have to move everything, get out of my comfortable position so I can drop down and do 10 or 20 push-ups and then go back to covering myself up. I felt amazing. Even though I had to go away from the comfortable situation and down to the floor to do push-ups, I felt so good. I felt so disciplined and masculine, and it was a great feeling. Even though at the first I felt kind of like, nah. So doing push-ups when you feel comfortable and at random times is a great idea. And in fact, you might be in a comfortable situation right now. You might be watching this video under a blanket or something. So you're gonna drop down and give me 10 push-ups right now, and I'm gonna do it with you. Alright, hope you did that too, and hope you're not, imagine being such a goblin that you just watched me do that and you didn't do it yourself. Like, imagine being such a goblin, bro. I hope that's not you. I really hope that's not you. If you did do those 10 push-ups, I want you to go down to the comments and write down that you did it. If I don't see as many comments as there is views, I'm gonna be very angry at someone, bro. And from now on, I want you to do what I do. I want you to have this idea that whenever a thought of push-ups crosses your mind, you have to drop down and do it. And also, if you want, you can do it in the morning. That's also a really good idea. It feels good, even though it's difficult. I challenge you to try it. That's all I had to say for this video. If you want to see more, there's plenty of videos on my channel that you might enjoy, that you might learn something from. So you can go down and you can go to my channel and check them out. You can subscribe if you want to. And that's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.